So we are told that this is a proportional relationship, and we want to know which of these ordered pairs can be on this line. So you can draw a line. It's going to be hard to do freestyle, but you can simplify. We know here, this point here is over 4 up 2. So that's going to be 4, 2. And you could simplify that. 4 to 2 is the same as 2 to 1, dividing by 2 because 2 is the little number that goes into both. So your x is 2 and your y is 1. So if you come over here, from your x, from the 0, you go x2, y1, 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 and x would go off of it. So each one of these points could be on your line. So if you look at it, we have 0, 0. A is on the line, 2, 1. Here we have 2, 1. That is on the line. 7, 3. We come over 7. 7, 3. This is not on the line. While it's on the line of ours, it would have to be the line going up like that. So that is not there. D is 12 to 7, so we come over 12, come up 7, and that's not there, but it is at 14, 7. So we have 3 different answers. So if you're drawing your line, it would start at the 0, 0, and it would go up through all of these. And it hit each of the dots, because that would then be your line going through all of those points.